Dive into a magical winter forest where the animals are curled up fast asleep. This charming toddler book introduces little explorers to the wonders of hibernation through playful rhymes and cozy illustrations. Meet a snoozing bear, a tucked-in hedgehog, and a sleepy squirrel as they dream away the frosty days, perfect for snuggly storytime moments. With simple, engaging text and bright, friendly artwork, this book turns learning into an adventure. Toddlers will love lifting flaps if interactive, spotting hidden creatures. Hyenas are highly vocal animals. Their famous laugh is actually a form of communication used to signal excitement, stress, or submission. Hyenas are incredibly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats, including savannas, forests, deserts, and even mountains. White tigers are not a separate subspecies, but are the result of a genetic mutation called leucism, which causes a reduction in pigmentation. This mutation affects the production of red and yellow pigments, resulting in their white fur and blue eyes. White tigers hold cultural significance in many societies, often symbolizing power, strength, and rarity. Leopards, Panthera pardus, are part of the big cat family and have several subspecies, including the African leopard, Indian leopard, Amber leopard, and Arabian leopard. Each subspecies is adapted to its specific habitat. Leopards are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of environments, including savannas, forests, mountains, and deserts. Dogs were the first domesticated animals, with evidence suggesting they were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, possibly even earlier. Dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell. With up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to about 6 million in humans. This makes them excellent at tracking scents. Pandas are bears, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca. They are native to China and are considered a national treasure. Pandas have a unique thumb called a pseudo-thumb, which is an enlarged wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary creatures. They communicate through vocalizations and scent markings. Llamas are native to South America, specifically the Andean region. They were domesticated by the Inca civilization around 4,000 to 5,000 years ago, primarily for their wool, meat, and as pack animals. Llamas belong to the camelid family, which also includes camels, alpacas, vicuñas, and guanacos. Roosters are famous for their loud crowing, which serves as a territorial call to announce their presence and ward off rivals. They can crow at any time of day, not just at dawn. Roosters play a key role in establishing the pecking order within a flock, often acting as protectors and leaders. Sheep are highly social animals and prefer to stay in flocks. They feel stressed and vulnerable when separated from the group. Sheep have excellent memories and can recognize up to 50 individual sheep and humans for years. They can also remember complex paths and locations. Sheep were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago. Pumas have the widest range of any wild terrestrial mammal in the Western Hemisphere. They can be found from the Canadian Yukon to the southern Andes of South America, inhabiting a variety of environments, including forests, mountains, deserts, and grasslands. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. They were primarily used for transportation and carrying heavy loads. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years. Wolves are known for their complex social structures. They live in packs, which are typically family groups consisting of a dominant breeding pair, alpha male and female, their offspring, and sometimes other related adults. Pack sizes can range from 6 to 10 members, but larger packs have been observed. Bears vary greatly in size. The smallest is the sun bear, weighing around 60 to 150 pounds, 27 to 68 kilograms, while the largest is the polar bear, which can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. They are highly adaptable and can live in forests, mountains, tundras, and deserts. Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and even sleep underwater, surfacing to breathe without waking up. Hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They are highly territorial and can be very aggressive. Geese are known for flying in a distinctive V formation during migration. This formation reduces wind resistance and conserves energy, allowing them to fly longer distances. Geese are highly social animals and form strong family bonds. They often mate for life and are very protective of their partners and offspring. Cows were domesticated around 10,000 years ago from wild ancestors like the aurochs. They have been integral to human agriculture and culture ever since. Cows are highly social animals and form strong bonds with their herd members. They can recognize up to 100 individuals and prefer to stay in groups, often spend a significant portion of their day grazing. Hamsters are nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night and sleep during the day. This can be a consideration for potential pet owners who are light sleepers or prefer daytime interaction with their pets. Hamsters have large cheek pouches that extend down to their shoulders. They use these pouches to carry food, bedding, and even their young. Camels can survive without water for up to 10 days in extreme heat. When they do drink, they can consume up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Camels can withstand body temperatures ranging from 93 degrees Fahrenheit to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 34 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius without sweating, helping them conserve water. Camels are herbivores and can eat almost any plant, including thorny bushes and dry grasses. They can also tolerate salty water. Bulls are male cattle, Bos taurus, and are part of the Bovidae family, which includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Bulls are larger and more muscular than cows, with some breeds weighing up to 2,400 pounds, 1,100 kilograms. Bulls are symbols of strength, fertility, and power in many cultures, including ancient Greek, Egyptian, and Mesopotamian civilizations. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from mountains to deserts. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision, 320 to 340 degrees, to spot predators. Rhinos are found in Africa and Asia. White and black rhinos live in Africa, while Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos are native to Asia. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. White rhinos can weigh up to 200-300 kilograms, 5,070 pounds, while Sumatran rhinos are the smallest, weighing around 600 to 950 kilograms, 1,320 to 2,000 pounds. Horses were domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history. From transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport, horses communicate through vocalizations, neighs, whinnies and snorts, body language, and facial expressions. Zebras are found in a variety of habitats across Africa. Plains zebras inhabit grasslands and savannas, mountain zebras live in mountainous and hilly regions, and Grevy's zebras prefer arid and semi-arid grasslands. Plains zebras and mountain zebras typically form small family groups called harems, consisting of one stallion, several mares, and their young. And discovering how forest friends stay warm in winter. Gentle questions like, "Can you whisper like the wind?" or "Who's hiding under the leaves?" encourage curiosity and interaction. Ideal for nature-loving little ones, this heartwarming story blends early science concepts with the comfort of bedtime rituals.